Okay, hello and welcome to the next episode. It's been a productive couple of days, or week, since the last post. The boys from Coastal have come in here, great team, fantastic job they've done this week in demo work. They've completed all the asbestos removal, so let's go in now and have a look at the progress we've made. Alright, we had a couple of false starts. Unfortunately, the boys from Energex couldn't get here. As you can see, the power line is still actually attached to the house. But we were able to take this fuse out to make sure that the house was then dead from electricity, so the boys could actually get the job done. Hopefully, Energex will turn up on Monday because the house lifters are supposed to be coming in a week. Alright, let's go in and take a look. Alright, so as you can see, the old kitchen's now obviously gone, everything's stripped, same with all the back area. The next job that we're focusing on at the moment is actually just getting rid of all this dead wire. This wire is actually quite good. You can recycle this stuff. It pays about $3.50 a kilo for the wire as it is, or if you actually strip it and get the copper out of it, it's about $10 a kilo. So quite good value there. Got some repair work to do up in the ceiling, which we're going to attend to this weekend. And then out in the back room here, same thing, we've just got to strip all the wires. There's also plenty of copper fittings and everything we can take off. Also about $3.50 a kilo for all your copper pipes and all that kind of stuff for recycling. So there's still money to be grabbed here. And the boys come in next. We're going to be taking down all of this timber, all this lovely hardwood. And again, we'll be salvaging all of those nice beams. Make sure that we put them to either on sale or put them to good use in a later project. So that's where we're up to at the moment. Okay, some jobs better than others. This one, we've got to get under the house to disconnect the power to the shed and just label that so the Sparky can come in and rehook that up later. We've got to disconnect it because otherwise when the house movers move the house, it'll just get ripped off and we don't want that damage. So let's get into it. So that's the underground shed cable up ahead. Sort of commando crawl up in here. That's the line going back to the main box. So we're just going to cut it through here and then roll it up a little bit just so it's out of the way. Yesterday we also got rid of all the other underground cable that's going to get ripped out here as well, just to try and avoid any damage. Obviously the yeah, not much space to work in down here, so we'll see how we go. Okay, so we finished that job. As you can see there, we've just tucked up the old connection with a couple of end points on it, and as you can see there, the shed connection's ready to go. So that's free now from the house. On to the next task.